Push it.
Like a huge vibration, and then like
Wait.
tiny shock.
No, hold on.
Oh my god, look at him.
Hold on, seriously, what if it like,
Kills you?
is it bad though or?
No.
Well, a lot of things are wrong with him.
Ooh.
Just do it.
Ready? Oh, I felt it. I felt it. I was over here. Try it.
No, I already know how.
Just try it. No, it's not
I did it
bad.
with this bubble gum one time.
It's not bad.
Oh yeah. It's not bad.
I got her with the dumb one.
No, I already know how.
I didn't push it down that hard, I guess. I don't know, because I only felt it right here.
Do it again.
When I do it, it only goes
Put
up
and
to
hold
like
it down.
right here.
Put it and hold it down hard.
No,
You do it again and then I'll do it.
Even if you do it hard, it's just like the same.
No,
Only
because
it'll like last
because I felt it
longer.
all the way in my neck and everything.
You did?
Yeah.
She videotaped it. You did?
Let me see.
Where's my glasses?